This week we finished the kitchen cabinets and Travis gets mad.
I never had any!
Max, what are you standing on? You climb up on that bucket? You be careful.
Needing to cut out a spot for that plug. I think I'm just gonna notch this corner rather than move the plug. I don't see why it would matter. And that way I'll have a plug inside of here for a microwave or whatever else I want. So that's what I'm gonna do right now.
Can you get cut like that?
Yeah, you could.
Then why are you flipping it around? Look.
Ready, go to daddy.
Come on, Max. I got you.
Woo! Good job.
Make sure you smell like
You gonna go again, baby? Ready, go, 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 baby.
This kitchen has by far been our most expensive and nicest kitchen we've done. Just the cabinets and new appliances total to about $26,000. Those look amazing. Get some crown molding up on those and some trim pieces. And we're gonna have a full finished kitchen here pretty soon. What we're thinking is all of this is gonna be pantry, storage, and above the fridge. And then over there is gonna be some clothes hooks and shoe racks and stuff like that. Kind of a mini mud room is what Sarah was thinking. When you see it from this view over here, it absolutely looks bigger and better now. Did we eat all of our fruit roll-ups?
Oh no,
Didn't get one.
they're over there.
I didn't get any.
They've got one
Where are they?
in the next cupboard over.
I never had any!
There's a big box. Oh my gosh, you are cleaning that up. Home renovations can be a little bit stressful, believe it or not, but Travis is really good about always trying to find the humor in things and always trying to look for an opportunity to make a joke. Sometimes it's hard to find the humor in something that was really stressful until much, much later. For example, in our last house, when we bought the house, we knew that we had to do something with the exterior because the paint was all chipping off and it just looked really bad. But we decided that we were going to paint it, and so we spent weeks going to Home Depot and picking out paint samples, and we bought little samples of paint and painted them on the house. And after weeks and weeks of trying to decide, we finally picked a color, and then Travis spent all the next Saturday taping the outside of the house and getting his paint sprayer all set up, and then he painted the house, and it took all day. And when he was done, we stepped back and looked at it, and it literally looked the exact same that it did before. It was the exact same color that we had picked somehow. So we went back to the drawing board, and the next week we had another color picked out, and that Saturday Travis taped the entire house again and repainted the whole house. And that wasn't very funny at the time, but now it's funny to look back and to look at the pictures and see how much work that was. But now it's just a funny memory that we get to share with you guys.
Okay, that's my first piece. Now these pieces come in 8-foot lengths, which is just shy of reaching that corner. So I had a couple options here. I could cut it in the middle and do 2 pieces, but I think I'd rather just do a sliver right there. It's a bummer this wasn't just barely a little bit longer. I thought it was going to be 1 piece, but I'll have to do just a sliver there. Hopefully that'll look okay. Not perfect when you're up close. But pretty dang close, and I think even from here, I don't think anyone will ever see it. And we don't have any other option.
Yeah.
So. Well, I got the crown molding up last night, and tonight, hopefully, I'm just gonna finish this.
Have you been seeing that lately?
And there's our 9:50 p.m. pizza.
But seriously, have you seen the lightning?
No.
It's been crazy.
Should we go try and see it?
There, yeah.
Send me a piece of that pizza.
We'll see.
Send me a piece of that pizza for later. Whoa. So last time I did handles, I made the template. So I used this guy to match the height of the cabinet, just go flush at the top, and that's my first hole. And on the small handles, that's my second hole. On my large handles, I just match up my first and go to my second. And this side is flush for my spacing side to side.